Hello class 7, welcome back to your maths online class. Today we are going to solve rest of the questions of exercise 5a. In our last class we have covered till question number 4. Today we are going to start from question number 5. So your first question is, which is greater? Question number 5, which is greater? You need to tell which number is greater. So my first part is 2 to the power 3 or 3 to the power 2 or 3 square. So 2 to the power 3 will be equals to 2 multiply 2, that is 8. 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, and 3 square will be equals to 3 into 3, that is 3 2 ja 9. As we know that 9 is greater than 8, so 3 square will be greater to 2 cube. Okay, first we need to expand the number and then we will compare the given number. Take one more part. Part number 2 says 2 to the power 5 or 5 square. Okay, do the same thing, expand the number. 2 to the 5 means 2 to the power 5 means 2 multiply 5 times, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32. So 2 to the power 5 is equals to 32. And now 5 square is equals to 5 into 5, that is 5 into 5 is 25, and we know that 32 is greater to 25, so 2 to the power 5 will be greater to 5 square. Okay, very simple. हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, we will expand our number, we will do the multiply, then we will compare the number. जो बड़ा होगा that will be our answer. Now question number 6. Question number 6 says, now I have to convert this 512 into the exponential form. Okay, exponential form. इस 512 को मुझे convert करना है into exponential form. Very simple. Take the prime factor of this 512, and you know how to take the prime factors. 512 divide by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, and 2 6 ja 12. Then 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 1 ja 2. Okay, these are the prime factors. So 512 will be equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 multiply 9 times, 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, अभी हमने इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन की फॉर्म में लिखा है, बट वी नीड टू राइट इट इन टू द एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म. तो 2 हमारा कितने टाइम्स आया है, 2 इज 9 टाइम्स, सो वी विल राइट इट एज 2 to the power 9. So here is my answer. 512 into the exponential form is 2 to the power 9. Okay, let's solve some other question. Let's take 36100. I need to convert 3600 into exponential form. Do the same thing. Take the prime factors. 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 0 0, 2 9 ja 18, 9 0 0, then 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 0, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 5 ja 10. Now it will not divide by 2, we will divide it by 3. 3 7 जा 21 and 3 5 जा 15, 3 2 जा 6, 3 5 जा 15. Now divide by 5, 5 5 जा 25 and 5 1 जा 5. So now 3600 will be equals to what? 2 2 2 2, 2 multiplied 4 times. Okay, then 3 into 3, 3 multiply 2 times and 5 multiply 2 times. So 300 600 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now write it into the exponential form. 2 कितने बार है? 2 is of 4 times, so 2 to the power 4, and 3 is of 2 times, so 3 square, and 5 is 2 times, so 5 square. So here is my answer. 3600 into its exponential form is 2 to the power 4 into 3 square into 5 square. Okay, very simple. Now we will move to question number 7, and question number 7 says if a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. In first part, find the value of a plus b square. A plus b square. We have the value of a as 2. So replace this a and b by 2 and 3. So a as 2 plus b as 3 and square. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 square, and 5 square is 5 multiply 5. And 5 multiply 5 is 25. So my answer is 25. Now second part says b minus a whole cube. B minus a whole cube. Now put the value of b and a. The value of b is 3 and value of a is 2. And power is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 cube. So 1 cube is 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, that is 1. So my answer is 1. Take one more part. Part third says a into b. A multiply b whole power a. Okay. The value of a is 2 and value of b is 3 and the value of a is 2. So 2 multiply 3 square. So 2 3 ja is 6. 6 square, that means 6 multiply 6 and 6 6 ja 36. So my answer is 36. Okay. Now we will solve question number 8. I hope you got this concept. This is very simple. Now question number 8 says express 1024 as the power of 2. 1024 as the power of 2. ओके 1024 को आपको कन्वर्ट करना है पावर ऑफ 2 में, 2 की एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में. सो वेरी सिंपल, वी विल डू द सेम थिंग. प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकाल लेते हैं सेम मेथड से. 2 5 जा 10, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, then 2 2 जा 4, 2 5 जा 10, 2 6 जा 12, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 8 जा 16, then 2 6 जा 4, 2 4 जा 8, 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4, 2 16 32, 2 8 जा 16, 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4 and 2 1 जा 2. Okay, so 1024 is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 multiplied 10 times. 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, 2 multiplied 10 times, or we can write it as 2 to the power 10. Okay, it means that we are multiplying 2 10 times. So 1024 as the power of 2 is 2 to the power 10. Okay, very simple. Second part is same, you can do it by yourself. Now question number 9. Question number 9 says 27 into 32. If 27 into 32 is equals to 3 to the power x multiply 2 to the power y. Find the value of these x and y. Okay, so here I have 27. 27 I can write it as 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and 32 I can write it as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32. ये कैसे निकालेंगे हम? सेम प्राइम फैक्टर से ये हमारा आ जाएगा. ठीक है, नाउ इट इज इक्वल्स टू 3 to the power x इंटू 2 to the power y. Now I can write it as 3 to the power 3 multiply 2 to the power 5 is equals to 3 to the power x and 2 to the power y. Okay, now हम क्या करेंगे? If the base of two numbers are same, अगर दो नंबर्स के बेस सेम होते हैं तब हम उनकी पावर्स को इक्वल रख सकते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पर क्या है 3 क्यूब और यहाँ पर क्या है 3 की पावर x. सो दोनों का बेस क्या है 3. सो x विल बी इक्वल्स टू 3. ओके, एज दी यू विल राइट एज दी बेस ऑफ द नंबर्स आर सेम, सो x विल बी इक्वल्स टू 3 एंड हियर आई हैव बेस एज 2. यहाँ भी बेस क्या है 2 और यहाँ भी बेस क्या है 2. सो y will be equals to 5. So my y will be equals to 5. So here is my answer. As x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 5. ठीक है, जब भी आपको दो नंबर्स मिले जिनके बेस सेम हो आप उनकी पावर्स को इक्वल करके अपना आंसर निकाल लोगे. सो my x is equals to 3 and my y is equals to 5. Okay, now we will do the last question of this exercise, that is same as question number 9. Now question number 10 is, if 64 multiply 625 is equals to 2 to the power a and y to the power b. सेम क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है, सो प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे. आई कैन राइट इट एज 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 6 टाइम. 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 16 2 जा 32, 32 2 जा 64. ओके, एंड दिस 625 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 जा 25, 25 5 जा 125 and 125 5 जा 625. आप इसे रफ में इस तरह से निकाल सकते हैं. 625 लिखा आपने, 5 से डिवाइड किया, 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 5 5 जा 25. नाउ 5 2 जा 10, 25 5 5 एंड 5 5 तो कितने 5 5 5 1 2 3 4. हेयर 1 2 3 4. ठीक है, तो इस तरह प्राइम फैक्टर वाले मेथड से आप ये निकाल लेंगे. सो इट इज़ इक्वल्स टू 2 to the power a and 5 to the power b. Now write it as exponential form. Here I have 2 to the power 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiply 5 to the power 4 is equals to 2 to the power a and 5 to the power b. So I have the same condition. यहाँ 2 और 2 बेस सेम है. सो a will be equals to 6 एंड यहाँ भी 5 और 5 सेम है बेस. सो b will be equals to 4. Okay, so my part 1 is solved. in part 2 it is asking 2 to the power b multiply 5 to the power a. वेरी सिंपल, b और a की वैल्यू रिप्लेस कर दीजिए. 2 to the power b means 2 to the power 4 and 5 to the power a means 5 to the power 6. Now expand this. 2 multiply 4 times and 5 multiply 6 times. Okay, do the multiplication and you will get your answer. Okay, so today we have finished exercise 5a, and in our next video we will learn the laws of exponents. ठीक है, exponents के law क्या होते हैं. If I need to add two exponents, if I need to divide two exponents, how we will do that. So in our next video we will solve exercise 5b. Till then, finish this exercise in your notebook, and if you find any problem we will discuss in our doubt class. Okay, take care.